5 powerful ways I use ChatGPT every day. Daily Planning Assistant ChatGPT can work like a daily planning assistant. You simply list your tasks, priorities, and deadlines, and it creates a clear plan for your day in seconds. Email and Message Writer. It can also write emails and messages for you. Just tell it who the message is for, the purpose, and the tone, and it generates a professional message instantly. Research Simplifier. When research feels overwhelming, ChatGPT can simplify it. You can paste long articles or topics, and it explains everything in clear, easy language. Idea Generator. If you're stuck or out of ideas, ChatGPT helps you brainstorm. From content ideas to business ideas, it generates suggestions in seconds. And when you're unsure about a decision, ChatGPT helps you think clearly. It compares options, highlights pros and cons, and helps you choose with confidence. Follow ToolCrafted by Nix for more AI tutorials.